And the last vehicle of the day and the last story of the day, we have the Lamborghini Essenza SCV12, the most powerful track-ready Lambo yet. Nothing electric about this one. You are looking at a V12 naturally aspirated engine. That thing is bubbling and rumbling and brrr. You know, Will? You know what I'm saying? So those still exist, probably not for not much longer, but this one got me going because the body work on this thing is just, well, it's absolutely bananas. Look at the angles and the downforce. Yeah. This is a track car. They say it creates more downforce than where is the quote here? Than a Gt3 car. It will produce more downforce than a Gt3 car. Lamborghini claims that the front splitter and massive adjustable carbon fiber rear wing assist will be responsible for that massive downforce. It's going to have 819 horsepower, again, generated the old-fashioned way by drinking fuel. Mm-hmm. But I mean, you and I would have no idea what to do with something like that. But man, you pull up in something like that, that's it's video game. That's a video game. That doesn't even look like real life. You know it's going to be so uncomfortable in there. You're going to be so low to the ground. The engine is going to be rattling your brain. However, when you pull up in this thing, every single person in the vicinity is going to look at you.
Yeah.
I can guarantee it. I don't even know if you can drive this thing on the road. Let me tell you something crazy about it. There's only going to be 40 of these. 40 customers will be able to pick one of these up. They don't list the price here. I'm guessing it's about $1 billion. Bezos should have no problem picking up one of the last V12, zero electrification. I don't think he's into cars, but if he was, he could pick up all 40 of these things.